Hello there, this is Christy Lewis at the Lakeport branch of the Lake County Library, and today I'm here with some books that might help you with your New Year's resolutions. Many people have a New Year's resolution to start cooking from home rather than takeout or processed meals. And luckily, the library has a lot of really neat cookbooks. We have several over on the new shelf right now, just waiting for you to come in and pick them up. But in case you need some ideas, I thought I would show you here a few for the Mediterranean diet, because that has won Best Diet for 3 years in a row, according to CNN on the U.S. News and World Report's rankings, because it's easier to keep up than a lot of other diets because you don't have to rule out entire food groups. So if you're looking for some good Mediterranean cookbooks, you could try this Mediterranean Instant Pot cookbook. I know Instant Pot is a very popular way to cook these days, so this 2020 cookbook might be the perfect way for you to start cooking at home easily and quickly, healthy meals. Definitely check this one out. If you don't have an Instant Pot, never fear. The Taste of Home also has a Mediterranean cookbook called Mediterranean Made Easy, 321 light and lively recipes for eating well every day. Both of these books were published in 2020, so they're brand new, and you can definitely order them down below through the library catalog. If you want a personal recommendation for a great cookbook, I recommend 660 Curries. This is a flavorful way to start eating more legumes and more vegetables. I've never made anything out of this that I didn't like. If you are looking to get more organized in the new year, that's another great goal. And we can also help you with that with some books here at the library, as well as through the free Creative Bug classes that are available on the library website. There's one class called Planners 101, Creative Ideas for Choosing and Using a Planner. Fun. We also have some books on the new shelf. A Zero Waste Life in 30 Days by Anita Van Dyke. Reduce Your Waste by 80%. Wow. And Taste of Home has a meal planning book, like an entire book about meal planning, which I like to do as well. I enjoy meal planning. It does save some time, and I always have meals ready in the freezer if I don't have time to cook. And some of these recipes look delicious. In fact, I might just bring this one home. Oh, but I can't. Nobody's here to check me out. Darn it. You can come get it if you come get it tomorrow. You can get it before I do. And who better to teach us about how to do almost everything than Martha Stewart? As far as organizing your life goes, this looks like the perfect book to learn that. She is the go-to source for organizing, celebrating, cleaning, decorating, and any number of other life skills. I will back that up. I love her cupcake cookbook. It is the one that I learned to bake using, and I love all the recipes in it. So she has in here
giving a toast, making a tire swing, maximizing closet space, building a fire, knitting a scarf, training your pet, choosing the right size rug, and much more.
Look how cute this cover is. She's got all the tools of the organizing trade. So if you're looking to organize your life, check this out for some inspo. It's got some nice big pictures too. Look, she's got her cat on her desk. It's all very clean looking. I don't think my house even looked like this when it was new. We didn't even look at the pictures of meal planning. I mean, yum. Ooh, a creamy egg salad. How about learning a new skill or hobby? That's always fun. We have lots of hobbyist books here for knitting and crocheting and sports and all kinds of stuff. However, the one I'm going to show you today is from the new shelf, and that is Unlocking Spanish with Paul Noble. Is there really a better time than quarantine to start learning a new language? I don't think that there is. This is a nice short one. I feel like it's keeping it simple, it says. Jargon-free, easy to understand Spanish pronunciation. I believe there are also some great courses available on Spanish for free through Canopy. They have actually courses on lots of interesting stuff. So if you're wanting to just learn something new, check out Canopy. They have videos on there for you. It's got documentaries. You can learn all kinds of stuff, including taking classes on literature and all kinds of other fun things. So come in and check out this book, and then go check out the great courses on Spanish if you want to learn a new language during quarantine. And maybe though what you're really interested in doing is trying to save some money. There are books on that too. How to Retire on Dividends. Earn a safe 8%, leave your principal intact. I know absolutely nothing about economics. However, I feel like this book could teach me about it. This might be a good starting place. It's pretty small and it's got nice big print. So if you're intimidated by subjects like that, this might be a good one to check out. We do have some others on the shelf. Retirement, investing. There was a book on investing over on the new shelf as well. This one is by Brett Owens and Tom Jacobs. And another popular New Year's resolution is to start reading more. And if you are watching this video, you are in a good place to start with that. We have all kinds of really interesting books coming into the library all the time. I'm going to start holding them up for you. American Predator, The Hunt for the Most Meticulous Serial Killer of the 21st Century by Maureen Callahan. I mean, this would make me pick up a book if I hadn't picked up a book in a while. So this is the true crime genre, or Letters from an Astrophysicist by Neil deGrasse Tyson. This is a real short little book that might be kind of accessible for you if you want to learn about science. Check it out! How about The Piper's Pursuit by Melanie Dickerson? I guess this is actually YA. But you know, if you want something like a light kind of princess romance, this one might be right up your alley. It's a pretty clean romance, and this might be just like a fun way to spend the day, or fall asleep, or give to your teenager to read. How about J.D. Robb's Vendetta in Death? Ooh, I like this green. Pretty sure this is a thriller. Could be a mystery. Not totally sure about it. I know nothing about mysteries or thrillers, but I know that this author is very popular. Might be the right one for you. Ooh, The Starless Sea by Erin Morgenstern. This is an adult fantasy by the author of The Night Circus. You probably have heard of The Night Circus, maybe? Dang, this thing is thick. I've heard some good things and some bad things about this. I think a certain type of reader absolutely loves this. It's very heavily atmospheric, and it will sweep you away. And I think the main complaint is usually the characters with her. At least that's how it was for The Night Circus for me. I haven't read this one yet, but man, what a pretty cover. It's very intriguing. Oh, The Nickel Boys by Colson Whitehead. Okay, I've been hearing about this one. This is the author of The Underground Railroad. It takes place in Nickel Academy, which is supposed to train delinquent boys, but it was very abusive, and it was set in the South. I definitely want to read this. One of my friends recommended it to me. I think there was kids who died at this place. So if none of those enticed you, I don't know what to tell you. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I do. We have book club collections here at the library. We've got mysteries, we've got historical fiction, we've got classics, we've got all kinds of book club collections here with like 8 or 9 or more books that you can rent out to your book club. But let me show you some of the books that we have here. We've got And Then There Were None. Did you see the television adaptation of this? It was really good. We've got Emma by Jane Austen. Oh, this one. Okay, Emma is sort of an unlikable protagonist to some people, but it's also like really brilliant humor and satire. I know equally as many people who love it among all the Austens. America's First Daughter. Look at this. This is historical fiction about Patsy Jefferson. It's about Thomas Jefferson's oldest daughter. This one looks really intriguing. I'd love to read this one. The Widows of Malabar Hill. Look at this pretty work along her headscarf. Ooh, and her clothing. Wow. I love the gold leaf on this. Marvelously plotted, richly detailed, first rate, says the Washington Post. And this is the deluxe edition. What is this about? It's set in India in 1921. I want to read it. And it's written by, I'm so sorry, I'm mispronouncing this, I'm sure, Sujata Massey. She was born in England to parents from India and Germany. So she's maybe writing somewhat out of her own heritage here. And News of the World! Look, it's a National Book Award finalist. All of these books I would be so down to read if my book club picked it. So come in, get a book club started, read from our collection, read more books in 2021. Don't let that goal just float past you. Alrighty guys, that is it for this New Year's resolutions book haul. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are inspired, and I hope you'll come by and pick up some books. Make sure to go ahead and order them down below. If you want them set aside for you during quarantine, you don't even have to come in. We can just put them straight on the shelf for you, and it'll have a little tag with your name on it. And many of these are also available on ebook and audiobook, so make sure to check out that option if you don't want to actually come in and you just would rather get them on ebook and audiobook. Okay guys, well, until next time, take care.